Hello crafting cousins. So I know it's been a while, but welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to be showing you how I make the M&M Christmas ornaments. So stay tuned. Okay, so first you want to make sure you have everything. So I actually purchased these ornaments from Michael's. I also have my acrylic paint that I'm going to use, the colors of your choosing. And then I have these cups to let the paint drip in when after I'm complete. I'll show you. So first you want to take this metal piece off here. Shake your paint up really well. Okay, and then you're gonna pour. Don't be scared if you pour too much, because you're gonna let it drip out anyway, and that's what you see in these cups here, is the paint dripping out as it dries in the inside. But don't be afraid to pour too much, or I'm sorry, yes, don't be afraid of pouring your paint in here. Okay, now you can shake this up if you want to put something on top of here, but I don't shake it. I just turn it to the side and just watch the paint cover the inside. And if you need more, go ahead and pour more in there. I'm just going to keep spinning until I get to the end. You see, I actually laid some wax paper down just in case I make a mess over here. Okay, so now you want to make sure that you get full coverage in here. So I'm going to put more paint over to the sides because you see I'm empty over here. So I'm going to put more paint in there. And you can choose whatever color you want. So what I'm going to do is let these set for about 12-15 hours. I just finish, I'll be finishing and putting the SVG files on them after I get off of work tomorrow. I'll let these set overnight just to make sure they dry completely before I get to messing with them. Okay, so we're good. So look, I have no clear marks. I'm not worried about this because as the paint is dripping out, it's going to cover the inside anyway, or the top anyway. All right, so like I said, I'm going to let these sit overnight, and I'm not going to mess with them again until I get off of work tomorrow. And then that's when you'll see me putting the SVG files on. All right, stay tuned. All right, so my apologies. When I thought I was recording how I layer my vinyl to these ornaments, I wasn't recording. So if you do want a video, please feel free to request one, because I have 2 more sets like these to do anyway. As always, I definitely appreciate the support. Please feel free to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye.